Good morning, everybody. We are back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy Monday to all of you. For all of you that's at school, uni, work, studying, whatever. Good morning to all of you. Anyways, today we have no plans at the moment. So we just finished having a shower. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a bit. Everybody, how was your weekend? What did you get up to? Did you have a good ass Sunday? Because for me, my weekend was great. Sunday, mostly chilled in bed and watch YouTube videos, moving files, editing. So yeah, my Sunday was good, man. I hope your Sunday was good too. And my weekend was good as well. The whole thing was good. For real. We have Weepics, people. We got Weepics right here. Let's eat and enjoy. People, first time vacuuming. Yeah, let's go. People, that was my first time actually vacuuming in 2 years. Since my arm got like paralyzed. But yeah, it's been 2 years, people. 2 years. The plan today, people, is we're just gonna be sitting here and yeah, edit, move files, and that will be it. That's our plan for the day. Right now we're watching YouTube, as you know it. But today, man, the weather not good. It's been raining down here. Can't go outside, you know. Gotta stay inside and not get sick. That's the best thing we could do. But I want to go downtown. But my auntie and uncle's already gone. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. For whoever's watching this, please watch the vlog from the start to the end. Please. It will be much appreciated if you do. It will help our channel out, get exposed. So yeah, please watch it to the end. Appreciate that. People, we just finished cleaning our teeth right now and mouthwash. So yeah, finished doing all that. Now we rest and then we'll do my insulin, my sugar levels. Then we'll eat and have some lunch. Leftovers butter chicken from yesterday. And yeah, I will let you guys know what we're doing next. Until then, I'm heading back into the lounge. Let's go chill on the table. Everybody, Mama's just warming up the butter chicken for us to have a feed. Since we had that last night, and man, it was damn good. So yeah, waiting for our butter chicken. I can't wait. I hope you're eating something very yummy too. Very interesting. Comment what you're having for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or snack. Comment what you're having right now. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. It's time to get back on the laptop and see what's popping up for the day. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Here's the butter chicken, everybody. Right here. Let's eat and enjoy. Sorry for yelling. Amen. Cheers, brother, sisters. My peoples. Somehow I'm falling asleep. I need some energy. Going off to pick up the cuzzies from their school. Well, at the school bus. So look what I'm wearing. Got the audio on, keeping me nice and warm. So let's go. Let's get it. We're at the bus stop. We are here now. So yeah, we here, man. We're here. Just waiting. Today is a very windy day, man. Madam's got the audio on. Still in my pajamas, my PJs. But yeah. Oh, there's the sun. There goes the sun. Got the kids.
Guess what?
What? There you have it, people. We got my video uploading to YouTube, the puzzle one, because as you can see right here, it goes puzzle and then vlog, and then I'm just uploading that one next, puzzle. Then once that one is done, vlogging video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go and edit the vlog, so once this is done, I'll have that one up. But hey, man, I don't know how long it will take for me to edit the vlog, so please bear with me. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for being patient. And man, we're gonna have this vlog on lock. Let's go. My fellow peoples, we are back into the room because to explain it, my middle back, my middle back is starting to bother me. It's hurting. I'm getting sore from it, so I'm gonna go and lie down on the bed. So yeah, Dang it. Right there, people. We're in bed. Let's go. Gonna put a movie on. Whatever on. People, we just woke up from a sleep, from a nap. The time right now is only 11:39 p.m. I probably knocked out like at 6 or 7 before dinner. But yeah, before dinner I knocked out, man. Oh yeah, everyone's asleep. Kids are asleep for school tomorrow. My auntie and uncle's knocked out. Trying to find my mum wherever she is. Oh yeah, so yeah, man. Don't know what to do. So people, before I fell asleep, they were cooking up a feast. Chicken carbonara. And that's what we got here for dinner. Dang, I fell to sleep, man. I was trying not to, but somehow I did. During eye drops. As you know, and you watch my vlogs, I always fall asleep when I do eye drops. So yeah. Anyways, the beast man is hungry. Let's eat. Let's enjoy. Amen. Woohoo. Chicken carbonara. If you've seen the movie Carbonara, well, the anime, not a movie, an anime called Carbonara. It's a series, Japanese series. Time to charge this up, people. Charge the camera up, so I'll catch you fellas when it's charged, or I'll catch you when I'm up again. Take care, man. Keep watching the video though. We ain't done yet. We ain't finished. Good morning, everybody. We've been up since 9 a.m. After 9, I mean. So yeah, don't know what the time is right now. And I don't have a phone at the moment. They're both charging. So yeah, let's head into the lounge on the table and get our laptop and get all our stuff and go chill on the table. Let's go. People, we are back on the table watching YouTube videos, and guess what? Mum is making us some tuna sandwiches, and I cannot wait. Me and my cuzzies are going to have some tuna sandwiches. Wow, I'm lucky for that. But anyways, there you have it, people. Our tuna sandwich, thanks to Mum. Let's enjoy this feed. Let's enjoy this meal. Let's enjoy this kai. Let's enjoy. I just put my eye drops on. Now my food's here. Let's eat. Thanks to Mom. Tuna sandwich, baby. Hello. What are you doing? Goodbye then.
No, she's going to the outside.
Oh, hello. Hello.
She's going on the
Where you going?
Hi, sweet. Abby's on the other side.
Oh, hello. Come the other side.
Nope, he's still on the other side.
Come over here.
Nope, Abby's walked away. Now
What are you? Oh, hello. Say hi everybody in the vlog. Say hi everybody that's watching. Sneaky say hello.
Okay,
You're such a poser. Look at you. You didn't even know it.
do you really think cats would be able to say hello by talking? Sesh, she's coming to you. She is prancing now.
Everybody, we just finished brushing our teeth. Now we're back in the lounge room. Yes, I'm yelling because the TV's on and that will be copy claim right there in the video. But anyways, we finished brushing our teeth. Back on the laptop. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Everybody, we just finished brushing our teeth. We are back in the lounge room, back on the table, back on the laptop. And we're editing right now. So let's get to it. So we could do this and then do my insulin right after. Let's go. People, my sugar levels was 21 and over. So right now I'm feeling so tired. I'm gonna go have a nap. I will catch you guys later. Enjoy the vlog. Keep going, keep watching, and I appreciate that very much. I'll catch you fellas in a bit. I'm going to nap out. Peace, man. People, we are back up right now. We are awake. And let's get out of here, man. Let's get back onto the table. Or maybe just stay here, eh? Yeah. Everybody, we're heading back onto the table. So I'm going to catch you out there. Let's get out of this room. Everybody, I didn't expect my mommy to cook some eggs. But she did. She cooked some scrambled eggs for me. Can't wait to eat. I wasn't expecting this, man. So yeah, let's eat, man. Let's enjoy this meal that mom has made. Let's go. Snack time. People, we are back in the room now from the lounge room. My buttocks was getting sore. Sitting on the chair for so long. So yeah, back in the room. Gonna lie down and lay back. People, movie has started. Movie has started. It started working. It took at least over 10 times just to get a reloading. But somehow it works. Let's go and watch this random ass movie while I edit for YouTube. My video for YouTube for y'all to watch. So yeah, man. Random movie is called Bird Eater. Yeah. Random movie, man. Dinner's ready. Let's head out to the lounge right there. Let's go. Macaroni and cheese with mince. Dinner time. We're back in the room. Continue this movie. So let's go and do that. Man, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Thank you for watching. Even though we didn't do much today, or probably did nothing. But thank you for watching, to be honest. Thank you all. Appreciate y'all. Everybody. It's just mum and I awake in this house. Everybody's asleep. But yeah, I'm gonna hang up this vlog right here, right now. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you all for coming to my channel. Don't forget, watch the previous videos too, and my puzzle one. Anyways, let's hang this up. Like, comment, subscribe to your boy plzz Vlogs, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Until then, you take care, you take it easy, and you enjoy. Alright, peace, my brethren and sisters.